everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for July 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to hear monthly updates and more oracle readings. I have also put a wishlist link in the description section below, and your contribution would help me to build more content and support my practice. So I have the cards laid out over here. I have changed the construct a little bit this time. So we have the main theme, what you need to release, something new coming this month. Then I have the two timelines. So we have the first half of the month and then we have the second half of the month. And we will get to understand the events that would happen during this timeline. And of course, we have the love reading for both singles and people who are in a relationship or married. So we have Four of Pentacles in the main theme with 10 of Pentacles in reverse. You need to be cautious of any kind of theft or any kind of bad financial investment decision. Four of Pentacles generally also refers to stinginess in terms of money, or it could also be not able to express your emotions well. So you're just kind of curbing yourself up. You're being very closed in your relationship, or maybe you're being too guarded. If you're in business or work, you may be signing up a big contract. Let's move to what you need to release this month. There is Four of Wands, Justice and Breathe. With Four of Wands and Justice here, I do see some issue with marriage. Your relationship is slipping like a quicksand. With Four of Pentacles, it could mean conflict with alimony, paid or received. For some, it could mean cancellation of a wedding. Four of Wands in release position with Four of Pentacles in main theme. Some of you may be working towards something which lacks basic foundation or which does not have that stability. So it could mean either you may not be prepared enough, it could mean hasty actions, or it could even mean a project that you're working on which doesn't have the foundation built in. So whatever you're going to build on top of that may be a little unstable. Four of Pentacles could mean you're nurturing something which may turn against you in the long term. With this oracle card here, patience in all things is called for right now. So slow down, meditate, trust, breathe, repeat. Let's move to what's coming new this month. We have Eight of Wands and Wise Leader. Your leadership is coming into test soon at workplace or any other engagement. People will look up to you to solve an issue. Could be a crisis situation which could just land in your plate at the last minute and which need a resolution really fast. You will get an opportunity to prove yourself as a competent leader. Let's move to the first half of this month. We have Knight of Swords here. Knight of Swords could suggest you may be under some kind of pressure, be it work or some kind of a deadline that you need to meet. Like I said earlier, something at the last minute may come up and could be a critical situation and you really need a swift movement. This card represents you would be required to be more structured and methodical to achieve your goals. Knight of Swords represents a soldier or someone who is in a war or battlefield. Such an environment would require you to move fast and would also signify that you are in the midst of a highly competitive environment. Things will move quickly and you will have to pay attention or you will quickly fall behind. However, be careful of any hasty decisions at this time and watch out for your communication, be it verbal, be it on calls or be it on email or be it in general in relationships as well. If there is a decision to be made at job front or you are planning to change your job or career, then you need to act really fast. You may get an opportunity, however, the time window to react to that opportunity would be really less. So you will have to decide really fast whether you would want to jump in and take that opportunity or you would want to let it go. We also have a 10 of Pentacles reversed here. I do see some kind of fortune being wasted or some kind of loss of financials or wealth or money in general, so just be cautious. There could be a dispute in inheritance, wealth, and some of you may also leave your family business. Be careful of investments being made during this time. Plan well so you make the best out of financial investments. Let's move to the second half of the month. We have 7 of Cups and 3 of Swords here. 7 of Cups can denote a downward spiral of depression, anxiety, or possibly even drug and alcohol abuse. So it's basically a slippery slope. It could also mean keep a watch around your family or your loved ones or your friends. If you have no such concerns, however, somebody may need your help. I have seen so many cards on addiction and abuse this month. So be careful, reach out for help if need be. I do understand we've been in a lockdown and we are facing a crisis because of this pandemic. However, let's hold on to each other and we will be able to come out strongly. With 3 of Swords over here, I see some kind of a heartbreak, separation coming in. Some of you may be covering an old pain and now it's high time that you release it. We also have a 5 of Swords over here, which means if you are in a fight or an argument with the loved one, it's a no-win-win fight. And even if you win, it wouldn't give you that satisfaction or it wouldn't give you much benefit. It could be just that you're fighting with somebody because of your ego. So just be a little cautious of that. You may just lose up more than you can gain. Let's move to the love reading. We have Star and 4 of Swords. Star is calling for healing. With 4 of Swords here, seems like you're not motivated enough to be in a relationship in the first place. So you need to heal yourself. Take yourself as a priority before you even get into a relationship. Let's move to the relationship reading. For people who are in a relationship or are married, definitely need to be cautious of the undercurrents that are happening in their relationship. I also see some kind of a secret being held. So I would say just talk to each other rather than keeping secrets. With 4 of Pentacles here, I think finances is a bigger concern in the relationship. I also see the bend towards material things, then sorting the relationship at an emotional level. For some, I also see that they are very lonely in a relationship. You may appear to have everything, but inside you feel very empty and alone in the relationship. For some, they are probably in a relationship which is very competitive in nature. So it's more about couple competing at who achieves more in their lives. It could probably be a love-hate relationship that you two share. So that's all for now. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Keep watching. Much love.